So like, I guess it would be cool to like smoke a blunt right now, like blow out some smoke, or like take a sip of the cigarette. But you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna like do me. Look, Von Dutch is that man. Now try to understand. Money in my hand. Look, and don't get me started. I beat, fuck the beat, now the beat is retarded. You shop at Kmart, bitch. I'm the type that look for a target. I'm the type who I be out mopping with your bitch, now your bitch ass mopping. That mean her ass scrubbing the flow, man. Damn, keep it on the low, man. I've been there and I've been back to the where. I'm like I'm on track. I'm like I can't stop. Somebody give me something. They keep talking shit, but they ain't saying nothing. Damn. They thought that they was gonna smoke, and now they looking like a fucking joke. Damn, hold up, the hocus pocus. I'm on track, dog. I have to remain focused. These niggas over here, dog, they think that it's a game, man. I don't really give a fuck. I understand I came, man. Cause I came in, I was running shit. You in the backfield, you just a punter, bitch. Damn, that mean go on and kick it. Niggas talk shit, but they act like bitches. I'm a real nigga with the drop flipping switches. Fuck, cut your bitch, now the bitch needs stitches. I'm a real nigga that though. Niggas talk shit, but they ain't knocking at the front door. I be outside, I be like, okay, when you ready, let's ride. When you ready, let's ride. Because I hopped inside, and when it's beat out the door, then I step outside. I'm a real ass nigga, dog. You see me fight. So if it's what you fucking want, then you better get back. Ass nigga, dog, gon' give it up too. Niggas all sitting around talking shit too. Damn, now why they all standing close, man? Burn that shit like toast, man. Damn, I don't use a fucking heater. I use a fucking sprayer. A sprayer, see you later. A sprayer, see you later like some motherfucking raid. Niggas talk shit, man. Y'all know you gay. You gay. I say you're homo. Okay, I throw it like Romo. I'm in Dallas, man, up in the Neverlands. I'm in California, I'm in Virginia. And niggas talk shit, and we in ya. I mean, we in ya, nigga, like it's over. I say we in ya like the end of December. I am a champion, that mean I am a fucking winner. I'm a winter, when to begin, bro. Niggas talk shit, man, they chicken like a hen, bro. Chicken like a hen, bro. With the concoction. Niggas talk shit, man. Where's the auction at? I buy that, and then I push it back. I think she look good. Maybe I'll give her back. Maybe I'll give her back. Inside joke, I'm right there with that. Now, who's fucking next though? I don't give a fuck. I ain't even having sex though. I'm just cashing checks though. Running this game, and then I get in the Olympics and I'm running the game. I mean, I'm doing my thing, so you really can't hang. And if you talk a lot of shit, then you know we could bang, boy. I say you know we could bang. Red dot, forehead on your brain. No, I don't promote violence. I'm the type dog that I kill you in silence. I'm like, damn, here's what you do. Fuck them. Now they are food. And we are the health though. Get them to kill themselves though. Just cause you gassed up, don't mean you gotta go somewhere. Von Dutch. I came, I saw, I conquered.